DC Blue Astute receiver setup menu, clearing of a single transmitter button. Please note, you will require the transmitter in order to erase it from the system. To begin, press and hold set for 3 seconds from standby mode. P flashes on the display, buzzer beeps twice. Scroll up to the lowercase r, press and release set. B is to program in a new transmitter, L is for light, C is to clear a transmitter. We will make use of this menu with the previously linked-in transmitter. Press and hold the transmitter, press and release set. A 0 is on the display, 1 beep, to indicate that the transmitter has been successfully erased. Exit to standby. The transmitter has been successfully erased.